Hi there and welcome to the final lecture of chapter 6. So that was kind of a lot of modeling. We modeled a lot of plants, twigs, the field maple tree and the ivy on the wall. So it can be a little bit boring if that's covering the part, but it's important to sometimes focus on working on nature assets, because the more variation you have, the better your scene will look like. If you only have grass, it's a little bit boring, right? So we will use all these nature assets in the next one, the castle scene, and that will be the biggest scene from all the other ones we created. So prepare yourself. I hope you have some time left, and we're going to start to working on that in the next chapter. All right, thanks for watching. Bye bye.